Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing up and verifying your Digistore24 account. Do that now so links can track. Once done, pick a niche with clear demand and vendors that pay solid commissions and confirm payout thresholds. Make sure to enter accurate payment and tax details so earnings clear without delays. While completing forms, copy your affiliate ID and save vendor product pages for research. This gets you from zero to ready to promote in one focused session. Next, you create the actual promotion assets that drive clicks and conversions. Start with a landing page or core content that speaks directly to your buyer's problem. Explain benefits and include your affiliate link. Then, write a short email sequence of 3 to 5 messages and craft 2-3 social ad variations for testing. Make sure to implement UTM tags and any tracking pixels so you can measure which channels and messages generate sales and scale the winners. Now you launch tests and monitor performance closely. Start small and track click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per sale for 7 to 14 days. Once you see winners, scale those creatives and budgets while pausing underperformers, and continuously tweak your landing copy and CTA to lift conversions. If things go wrong and you get no sales, first verify your affiliate links and tracking, then confirm the landing matches the ad promise and that the vendor's offer is appealing to your audience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.